What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. As the thumbnail says, I want to talk a little bit about stable coins, an area in blockchain technology that I think is deserving of everyone's attention. The Biden administration has taken the reins of the U.S. executive branch, and we got to strap in for some really interesting changes all across the map, but particularly as it relates to the economy. If you are watching what's happening in that regard, you'll notice that there are a number of officials being put in place that have notable backgrounds in blockchain technology. Even officials who have been in previous administrations, the Obama administration. I'm speaking specifically of Janet Yellen, have come to the Biden administration with a bit of an affinity for blockchain tech and cryptocurrency, which I think is extraordinarily interesting. I know that I've mentioned in a previous video Brian Burns, who was the active secretary or commissioner of the OCC, enacted guidance that allows traditional banking institutions to custody cryptocurrency and utilize stable coins for settlement, all sorts of great things for crypto. And it looks like that's only going to get stronger. And so it is imperative for your life, for your financial well-being. I'm saying it is a strategic imperative for you all to spend time learning about blockchain in general, but specifically how to transact with stable coins. For those that haven't seen the previous videos, stable coins are cryptocurrencies, blockchain-based assets that value perspective are tied to, or you'll hear referred to as pegged to the US dollar and guaranteed to remain worth $1. So in one example, if you have one DAI token, DAI is one stable coin out of many. If you have one DAI, you effectively have the equivalent of $1 US. So understanding how these stable coins relate to cryptocurrency wallets, understanding how to move these stable tokens back and forth on the blockchain, understanding how to convert your traditional US dollars sitting in a bank account into these stable coins and vice versa, understanding how to send these stable coins to someone else or some other entity for payment. All of these are skills that you want to possess. It's going to be a requirement at some point in your life to understand how to do that, and you will want to have gone through the lessons, gotten the education before the time where you actually have to use it, right? Just like anything, you need to know, you want to know how to do it before the time comes where you have to know how to do it. There is an interesting example. Mark Moss recently posted a video on his channel. He recently moved to Puerto Rico. He's heavily into business, and he's having some challenges getting his banking situation ironed out in Puerto Rico. And as he has tried to get into some business deals post moving to Puerto Rico, he's not able to transact. And he gives an example of actually having to fly back to the mainland to physically go to a bank to send a wire transfer for a couple $100,000 in order to be able to get into a transaction. And I think he was able to make it happen, but the example that he provides is sometimes these deals don't have a wide window of opportunity, and if you can't transact in real time, then you miss the opportunity to get into the deal. And I posted a comment on that particular video, and I said, gee, Mark, if you're taking planes back and forth to the mainland, it certainly seems like it'd be worth your time to train your business partners or potential business partners on how to use DAI, how to transact in stablecoins on the blockchain. It seems that would go a long way to solving problems like that. So that's one example of why this stuff is so important. Just take some time, cut back on Netflix and Hulu and AT&T Now and Peacock and all of that stuff that's not doing anything to grow your financial net worth. Spend some time educating yourself, getting smart on these technologies. Who knows? It just might be worth something. Hope you're doing well. Stay safe. Come back next time, and you'll see me in the next video.